Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Cricut Design Space tutorial, we're taking a look at how you can quickly and easily duplicate a design you are working on. So here we've got our love in a mug design, and to duplicate that, if I wanted to cut that out multiple times to put on multiple projects, then I could attach it all first and make sure it stays together, and then we're just going to click on the design and we can go to duplicate. And now we can keep repeating that for as many copies as what we wanted. But obviously now that's making Cricut Design Space work really hard, and that just looks like a total mess. So we can now go through and delete all of those, and I will show you a much quicker and easier way. So here we've got our design. So if we make our design, we'll make it 4 inches wide, and that makes it 3.318 inches high. So if I now wanted to duplicate that multiple times to cut out multiple times, the quickest and easiest way to do that is to go over to make it, and here now we can select on the mat, and we can see now there's our design. We can move that around. If we now go up to project copies, we can now select as many copies as we like. So if I select 10 and select apply, and then it says applying project copies will undo manual edits. This action will reset any objects that have been moved, hidden or mirrored. Yep, we're going to go apply. So as we can see now, that has now duplicated our design and popped it onto 2 mats, because that's showing that all 10 designs are not going to fit on 1 mat, so therefore it has to go on 2 mats, and on the second mat there's only 4. But as you can see now, that's quickly duplicated them, tidied them all up, kept them all nice and neat, and automatically placed them onto 2 mats. Obviously depending on the size of your design, depending on how many mats. So if we went to cancel that, and if we now make that 5 inches for example, and follow the same process, and we do 10 copies, then as we can see now, that's had to put that onto 3 mats for us. So depending on the size of your design, depending on how many mats Cricut Design Space is going to allocate for you, but that is a really quick and easy way that I found that you can duplicate your design without it being really messy and really complicated to understand. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.